Alright, tanya na di lapangan futsal, Indonesia di lapangan futsal karena tengah na acara AFK Banda Aceh Cup. Nah, jadi NBC malamo kamu na perform bak penutupan acara, nyo tengah siap-siap, tengah stretching karena sebelum tak perform tetap stretching supaya nyaman deh di perform kan. Kita tanya bawa nyo kiban persiapan untuk perform jatuh. How you feel, bro?
Yeah,
You ready to show?
yeah, I'm ready to show AFK Banda Aceh
Okay.
Cup 1.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to show it AFK Banda Aceh Cup 1.
You?
I was ready.
Okay, nice. They are ready to show. If you run here, you can come here, Stadion Harapan Bangsa. They are gonna show here. So we have Finister right here. Finister, you ready to show?
I'm ready. Yeah,
A little bit nervous.
but it's okay.
Jadi sino penutupan acara mo. Jadi tayo untuk diiringi oleh DJ Jal Ibrahim. Tapi konsep ji, karena perform lagi biasa, konsep ji battle. Okay, kalian di perform. Alright, let's go.